Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Super great having you guys here today. Today we have a new money making app to share with you, so we're gonna get straight into the video. So the money making app that I have to share with you today, it's called Robox Relax. So it's a part of the Roblox money making apps. So in the Roblox money making app, from what I have seen, they have the Roblox, you have the Roblox Fit, you have the Roblox you have the Roblox Fit, right? You have the Roblox Relax, and you have the Roblox, the one that you basically share your Roblox and surfed and earn. Yeah. So there are four of them, and for the surf and earn one, I don't use it because that's the one that you use to share your IP address. And with all the money making apps that I use on my phone, I really don't share my I can't use an app that uses a IP share my IP address. So just want to share that with you guys. So the three that I've basically used is the Roblox Fit, and the Roblox Relax. So today we're gonna go over the Roblox Fit, and just to let you guys know about the money making app, how you can earn. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description down below, which is the referral link. So you can easily click the link, make your very own account, and you can open your very own account so you can start earning with me, and just to show that you are getting the right money making app. So let's get straight into the video. So once you open the app, you are greeted with the name of the app, which is the Roblox Relax. So right now I am earning. You can see that I am mining. So with all these money making apps, they give you a 3 hour span that you're able to mine. My speed is 1x. I'm gonna share with you guys where you can um up your speed or anything like that if you're interested in doing that. Once the app is working, you will see the countdown, and also you will see the app, the word that says creating. That means it's mining. So yes guys, so this money making app is cashed out to your NC wallet. So the same wallet you use to cash out your Roblox Fit, your Roblox, your um crypto.com, a lite or crypto.pro or max is the same thing. Your CT pool money making app, all of them are connected and all of them are sent to the same wallet. So just to keep all of that into consideration, guys, this is just another way of earning with the same developers. So just so you can understand everything. So now we're on the home page, and you can see that it says concentration. So you have different, like um you can choose your breath, or so for me I did choose calming, and then it's basically just changed to concentration. So I guess it's just basically just do its thing. So yes guys, so the next part of the money making app I want to share with you guys is the referral. So they do have a referral program where you basically can just earn. So yes guys, I'll leave that for you in the description. Here is just the transaction section where you earn. So once I cash out, you will see my cash out here and my earnings also, just to keep all that into consideration guys. So the app where you can plan, so this is the plan section. Right now I am earning for free, so I did share that with you guys. But if you're interested in boost your earning, your speed, you can go ahead and do that. I haven't purchased anything. I will go with the free version for now. So yes guys, the minimum to cash out is 10 cents, just to keep that into consideration as well. So now let's go over to the other money making tab. So the other tab is the tab where you basically can just change the appearance of the phone and stuff like that. So to keep all that into consideration, guys. So yeah, there is some security things here, like they gave you a key. So let's say you go to a different um app, and you a different not a different app, a different cell phone, like a different what you call it now, a different phone or device, you can use these keys that they gave you to actually log in. So once they gave you some keys and you store those keys, then those keys are what you're going to use until you get a chance to generate new keys. Just to keep that into consideration. So you want to make sure you know your keys, and you protect your keys, right? So just to keep that into consideration as well. So this is basically the money making app, guys. It's not a lot going on. It's just bare minimum like going on. So just to keep that into consideration. Of course, once I'm able to cash out, I will share with you guys that. Right now I haven't earned any. I just started mining about half an hour ago or less. So yes, guys. So guys, stay tuned for more videos like this. I hope you guys have been doing well. Hope you guys have been learning. Before I go, just want to say, if you're new to my channel, basically what I do here, I share with you guys personally what I earn with free money making apps online, with get paid to sites or money making apps. And then I basically just use apps to grow those in portfolios where I can earn passive income. So if you're interested in that, you are welcome to stay and view other videos. If you're interested in earning stats, I have a playlist on my channel with earning for stats. You can check that one out, so you will learn more. Guys, thank you so much. Before I go, I always want to say, always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.